Hi Jane, I just thought I'd make a quick video real quick to show you what I was talking about. So, oh wow. So first thing you do is you turn the editing on up at the top. I can get it to work. Okay, so go here, turn editing on. And then you can see, actually I'm going to turn editing off so you can see this what the students are talking about. It's these check marks along the side is what I think she's talking about to show that she's completed with the task. So, so I'm going to turn editing on, and what you do is when you create the assignment, so let me go here to this assignment for the annotated bibliography. You go into edited settings, and then down at the bottom you click on activity completion, and then you can set the guidelines like students must submit it to complete it, students must view the activity to complete it, and so once they viewed it and have submitted it, it'll show that check mark on their side. Another thing is for the forums. So when you do that, you edit settings, you go down to that activity completion, and you can actually check that the student can, I don't see it in this one because that's the forum NG. Hold on. You can usually set it to where the student can check it themselves if they want when it's complete. I'm going to try to find one of those for you. So this is a traditional discussion forum here. So if we go down to the activity completion, I have it set that it don't indicate, do not indicate activity completion because it's the announcements, so they don't need to complete it. But if I wanted to, I could have students can manually mark the activity as completed, and then that leaves an open box where they can check it themselves. So you can do it either way. You can set it where they get to check it, or it checks once they've completed. You can set it that they have to view it and they have to submit it, and then it will automatically check. So I hope this helps.